Hello everyone, I'm Neeson. Ireland is a place of wild, breathtaking natural beauty. It's also a place of innovation and energy, where young people are creating the future. The thing that most intrigued me about this film is a sense of coming togetherness, of old and new, of north and south, of nature's beauty and Ireland's human culture. I think audiences will enjoy discovering these spectacularly beautiful places. Whether you're interested in exploring the northeast coastal road of volcanic wonder at the Giant's Causeway, or walking the bustling streets of Dublin and Belfast with a group of Irish teenagers. And some of my favourite places are the giant cliffs of Moher along the wild Atlantic Way and the rugged Skellig Islands, where 1500 years ago, Irish monks built a monastery. What I love about working with McGillivray Freeman Films, they find ways to put viewers right in the heart of the action, using Imax cinematography to create these larger-than-life experiences with incredibly vivid images that make you feel like you're actually really there. This film really captures the joy and the diversity of all that Ireland has to offer. And I might be a wee bit biased, but I think that people are really going to fall in love with the place. This is indeed a new Ireland. Thank you.